Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about BBMG interim report. BBMG Corporation offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. The company's primary focus areas include 1. Green building materials. Manufacture and sale of concrete, wall body and insulation materials, prefabricated building system and parts, furniture and woods. 2. Property development and operation. Develops, invests, manages, leases and sells residential and commercial properties. 3. Commerce logistics and services, provision of commerce logistics and services. 4. Chemical products. Manufacture of chemical raw materials and chemical products. 5. Construction materials, crushed stone, coatings, glass-made spectacle lenses, dry and mixed mortar, construction hardware, aerated concrete and wood-based panels, refractory materials and ceramic, steel and iron pipes, clinker, plastic steel doors and windows, aggregates, high-voltage porcelain insulators, machinery equipment and accessories. 6. Energy solutions, wind power equipment. 7. Decorative materials, limestone decorative materials. 8. Financial services, financial leasing, financing advisory, supply chain management. 9. Hotel and catering services. Hotel management, accommodation and catering. 10. Technology and consulting services, technology development, transfer consulting. 11. Transportation services, road transportation. 12. Waste management. Solid waste treatment services. 13. Media and publishing, publication of Concrete World magazine. 14. Import and export, imports and exports bulk commodities. 15. Sports projects. Operates sports projects. These diverse businesses and services make BBMG Corporation a multifaceted company with a wide range of offerings across various industries. The significant increase in BBMG AG's stock price, with a rise of over 130% in the past year, can be attributed to several key factors. The bank's strong financial performance, including robust earnings and increased customer assets under management, has been a major contributor to its success. In 2024, BBMG reported significant growth in earnings before taxes, consolidated return on equity after taxes, and earnings per share. The expansion of trading offerings and strategic initiatives has also played a crucial role in the bank's stock price increase. The extension of over-the-counter trading hours and accelerated marketing efforts for its BBMG Trading brand have boosted earnings from its trading business. Additionally, the strengthening of collaboration with Tangani GmbH and introduction of new financial events for private investors have further contributed to the bank's growth. Overall, BBMG AG's strong financial performance, growth in customer accounts and assets, increased trading activity, and strategic initiatives have all contributed to its significant stock price increase over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth at BBMG can be attributed to strategic acquisitions, increased operating revenue from subsidiaries, joint ventures and associates, and favorable currency fluctuations. The company's expansion through acquisitions has contributed significantly to its revenue growth, with notable mentions including Liaoyang Hongguang Mining Co., Limited, and Shanghai ABM Rock Wool Co., Limited. On the other hand, revenue decline drivers include decreased operating revenue from certain subsidiaries, such as Tangshan Jidong Cement Co., Limited, and unfavorable currency fluctuations, particularly the RMB appreciation against USD. The impact of these factors on BBMG's revenue growth or decline highlights the importance of strategic planning and management in navigating market trends and economic conditions. Net income and profit margins overview. The company's net income has shown a significant improvement over the past periods, with notable increases in various financial reports. On page 16, it is mentioned that net income was significantly better than the same period last year, although no specific percentage or amount is provided. A more concrete figure is given on page 26, where net income increased by approximately Rm 1,136.3 million year-on-year. Additionally, on page 214, net income rose from RMB 99,731,470.96 to RMB 159,521,552.82, indicating a substantial increase. Profit margins have also shown improvement, particularly in the cement and clinker segment, which increased by 10.3 percentage points to 20.7%. However, the concrete segment experienced a decline of 0.6 percentage point to 9.2%. The company's profit margins were under pressure due to weak market demand and reduced enforcement of peak staggering, but improved mainly due to declining coal prices and periodic recovery of cement prices. Overall, the net income has increased significantly, while profit margins have shown improvement in certain segments. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes over the past periods. In terms of debt level, there has been a notable increase in total debt from RMB 85,905,652,421.42 to RMB 159,490,164,047.98, representing an increase of 85%. This substantial rise is evident across multiple pages, with specific increases ranging from 1.4% to 12.1%. Regarding interest expenses, there has been a decrease in net interest expenses charged to finance expenses by 57%, from RMB 10,191,411 in 2024 to RMB 4,345,211 in January to June 2025. Additionally, interest expense decreased by RMB 841,875,370.88, and interest payable decreased by RMB 1,039,901,504.52. These changes indicate a significant shift in the company's financial situation, with increased debt levels and reduced interest expenses. The company's financial performance was marred by underperformance in two key segments: modern green building materials and property development and operation. These segments incurred significant losses of RMB 1,330,375,089.49 and RMB 1,503,562,043.5 respectively, indicating a need for improvement in these areas to boost overall financial health. Management is emphasizing a shift towards green and sustainable development, with a focus on achieving carbon neutrality and peaking emissions. The company plans to invest in renewable energy projects, such as photovoltaic power generation, while also integrating industry finance strategies to support business growth. Additionally, management aims to enhance strategic cooperation with financial institutions to innovate financing methods and reduce costs, and is issuing bonds to raise capital and optimize the company's capital structure. The company's financial summary reveals a consistent pattern of dividend payments. The records show that dividends were paid in both 2024 and 2025, with specific amounts mentioned for each year. This indicates that the company has indeed paid dividends to its shareholders. In contrast, there is no clear evidence to suggest that the company has bought back shares. Concerns about inventory buildup and supply chain disruption are evident in the financial summary. Inventory buildup is a pressing issue, as indicated by provisions for decline in value of inventory, page 108, and losses on such declines, page 213. The company acknowledges this problem, page 35, highlighting the need to strengthen process control to reduce accounts receivable and inventory. Supply chain disruption concerns are also present. Raw materials costs have increased significantly, rising by RMB 95.7 million, 5.2% increase, from December 2024 to June 2025, page 127. Finished goods inventory has also seen a substantial increase of RMB 37,152,526.94, page 128. Furthermore, copper and iron ore futures have experienced significant nominal amount increases of 145% and 147%, respectively, from January-June 2024 to January-June 2025, page 256. These indicators suggest that the company is facing challenges in managing its inventory levels and supply chain disruptions. That concludes the financial summary for BBMG. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.